I was 22 with grease on my shirt. Found a rusted out Chevy covered in dirt. Piece by piece I brought that old girl back to life. Small block V8 singing sweet on Friday nights. Met a girl laughing under neon lights. Fell hard and fast, asked her to be my wife. Kids came along, 2 boys and a little girl. They'd climb in the bed while I worked on the world. She never cared for that old truck like I did. Said I spent too many nights out in the shed. So when our youngest came, I signed the papers and cried. Watched her roll away, took a piece of me that died. Raised those babies, built a life side by side. But the spark in her eye slowly said goodbye. And now I'm an old man with empty hands. Old truck, young heart, that's who I am. She packed her bags one Sunday after church. Said she prayed real hard, but she got married too young. Kids are grown and gone, and the house feels way too alone. I signed the papers and cried as I watched her roll away. Took a piece of me that died that day. She never cared for that old truck like I did. Said I spent too many nights out in the shed. So when our youngest came, I signed the papers and cried. Watched her roll away, took a piece of me that died. Raised those babies, built a life side by side. But the spark in her eye slowly said goodbye. Now I'm an old man with empty hands. Old truck, young heart, that's who I am. Then one Sunday driving past the county line, saw a beat-up Ford sitting out in the pines. Same faded paint, but a solid frame. Something in my chest woke up and called my name. I bought her cheap and towed her home that night. Rolled up my sleeves under the shop light. Every bolt I turned felt like turning back the time. Every weld I laid brought that young man back to life. And now I'm driving that old truck down these back roads again. Feels like a time machine taking me back where I began. Windows down, radio playing my old songs. George Strait, Willie, Waylon keeping me strong. She's not all fixed, and neither am I. Still got some dents, still got some scars from life. But when that engine turns over and the wind hits my face, old truck, young heart, I found my way. better than she was. Old truck, young heart, and so am I.